Good day guys, my name is Melvin Satishan. Today we would be exploring the GitHub dashboard. I have already logged into the github.com and my username here I have already provided here and the password also provided here. So in the right hand side, all these are the account related options. Here is my profile details, then my repositories, your Copilot. Copilot is an AI integrated solution. When you clone it to the repository or if you are using the workspace, you can integrate this so that whenever you need, whenever you go for a Python coding or a simple programming or any JavaScript action coding, Microsoft Copilot will help you. And these are my projects. Then I can bookmark the things and I can create the organization. If you look at it left hand side, here Melvin Satishan is one organization, ngdm-vista is another organization. Similarly, I have created many organizations. We will do all those exercises in the upcoming video. Next is your enterprises. If I have a corporate account and if they have already subscribed the GitHub Enterprise version, then I can enjoy all the features of GitHub Enterprise. Okay, and here is the settings. In the settings, basically I can do a number of fine tuning in my account. I can add SSH keys, because if I need to clone this particular repository to my local machine or any other machine for development or any other transactions, in that case I may have to provide the passwords, right? If I use this SSH key, I can use a passwordless access. All I need is I can directly run git clone command or git pull command, so that the desired repositories will be getting cloned or syncing with my local machine or wherever it is needed. And here is the fine-tuning pertaining to the organizations. Then if I click here, I will be able to see all my repositories. Then I have a code space. Code space is as simple as GitHub provides you an inbuilt machine. Suppose if you log into the code space, you would be able to see the repository, and in that repository you can write a Python code or whatever. Suppose you have some ServiceNow developer instance and you are trying to integrate your code, you are developing some Python code to check or call some ServiceNow API. In that case, you can write a Python code over here and you can just run it from your code space rather than directly committing it to your repository, so that you can make sure that whatever the code that you are creating is right. And for that, compute is needed, right? This code space is a compute being provided by GitHub. And Copilot is, as I told already, it is for assisting you. It's an artificial intelligence solution. Similarly, we have here various options like security logs, sponsorship logs. These all are each and every transactions in GitHub. If you just click on one repository, that also will be tracked somewhere. So that we will have a very good visibility and we will have a very good control what's happening in the behind the scenes, right? And here is the developer settings. In the developer settings, we have a application creation so that we can develop an full stack application and all. Then we have here authentication. So in that we have two things: fine grained tokens and token classics. So we will go for a token classics. This is basically an API token. So this using this token, we can interact with the GitHub action programmatically. Assume that you have a postman for testing. So in that postman, you can take the GitHub URL and you can put it in the Postman application and pass this API token so that you can do API transactions, or you can programmatically access GitHub or GitHub Actions or any other Git products, right? So, and you will have a very good control on all this transaction. If you go for generate new token, you would be able to see or you would be able to completely control each and every repository, branch, and the permissions, roles, everything. We will do that in the very next video, so that we all will be in same page. So that's it about the GitHub dashboard overview. Thank you.